Atti Chair Assembly Guide. Open the box and take out the chair parts. Ensure that you have all the parts: side frame, back and seat cushion, Allen wrench, bolts for seat assembly. Check the position of the bolt holes of the seat cushion. Place the side of the back and seat cushion and the side frame down. Align the groove on the back and seat cushion with the groove on the side frame. If the groove doesn't fit well, align the groove while pressing the side frame. Insert the bolts in accordance with the groove accurately and tighten lightly with the longer side of the Allen wrench. Tighten the bolts with the short side of the Allen wrench until the bolts are fixed. Adjusting the seat height. Remove the side cover by loosening the bolts for side cover assembly inside the side frame as shown. Remove both side covers completely. When assembling the parts, make sure the side with round holes goes downward. Remove the plate by loosening the bolts for plate assembly assembled on the outside of the side frame. Arrange so the bottom of the plate is upwards. Reassemble the plate and side frame using bolts. Reassemble in reverse order of removal.